Good morning, student. Yesterday I was explained the midpoint theorem. What is the midpoint theorem? The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of the it. So, for remember purpose, you have once see the concept and statement of the theorem. A B C is a triangle and D and E are the midpoint of the side AB and AC, then DE is parallel to BC and DE is half of the BC. This is the midpoint theorem. And the statement of the theorem is the line segment joining the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of the it. This is the theorem. With the help of this theorem, we can solve the exercise 8.2. And first question is, see what is the first question. In first question, ABCD is the parallelogram. No, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which ABCD, first question is A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. In which P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of side. First of all, see, this is the A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S of the side AB, BC, CD and DA. AC is diagonal and AC is a diagonal. Now show that first part is S are parallel to AC. S are parallel to AC and SR equal to half of the AC. It is the first part. Second one is the PQ equal to SR. And third is the PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. This is the question. Now solution. This is the PQRS. This is the figure. To solve this question, what is the given? First of all, write what is the given. PQRS is the midpoint of side. P, Q, R and S are midpoint of side. Midpoint of side AB, BC, CD and DA. This is the given in the question. Now to prove that, this is the to prove. First, second and third. Okay, now proof. See the first one. S are parallel to AC. This is the SR, it is parallel to AC. For this, we take the triangle. In triangle ADC, S and R are the midpoint of side, the side AD and CD, So it means SR equal to AC. So SR parallel to AC and SR equal to half of the AC by the midpoint theorem. Reason क्या होगा? The line segment joining the line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides is parallel to the third side and half of it with this is the statement of the midpoint theorem. So according to this theorem, SR parallel to AC and SR equal to half of the AC. First one proved. Now see the second one. PQ equal to SR. Now this is the equation 1. For the second, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoint of side AB and BC. So PQ is parallel to AC and PQ equal to half of AC. It is the equation second. Now from the equation first and second, from equation first and equation second we get half AC equal to SR and half AC equal to PQ. So PQ equal to SR proved. This is the second. Now the third. Third is the to show that PQRS is a parallelogram. For this is the, as we know, as we have PQ equal to SR and PQ parallel to AC. PQ parallel to AC and SR is also parallel to AC. So we can write it PQ is parallel to SR and PQ equal to SR. So by the definition of parallelogram, if one pair of sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal, then quadrilateral is parallelogram. See once again, in a quadrilateral, if one pair of sides is parallel and equal, then quadrilateral is said to be parallelogram. So here PQ is parallel to SR and equal also. So we can write it is a parallelogram. So therefore PQRS is a parallelogram. Reason: if one pair of side in a quadrilateral is parallel and equal, then quadrilateral is said to be parallelogram. So on the basis of this theorem, you can solve other question. See the question number second. ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS are the midpoint of the side AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Then show that quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. This question is also the like first question. So try to do, first of all you have to draw a rhombus. In rhombus all sides are the equal and diagonal bisect each other at the 90 degree. So keeping this concept in your mind, PQRS is the midpoint of the side AB, BC, CD and DA. Then you have to prove that quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Try to do yourself, otherwise I will explain it in the next class. Thank you.